Honorable,
in Europe.
you okay? Good evening. I'm here. Greetings to every one of you watching us, listening to us. So where are we starting from? Are we starting from what she said yesterday?
Yes, what you saw yesterday and today on the evidence
Okay.
you post me, I want to post them now. Am I
Okay.
permitted to do that?
Yeah, you are permitted because of her statement.
Okay, good. If you still reaching you, I'll still post you. No,
Uh-uh.
okay. No, I
You
have
are
to
in
tell
the
you
court.
that.
You are in the court of law.
In that time. Now say we never start to do Joro now, but people now I don't say they will not the screen record. Okay. You sent me a picture of you and your ex-husband, and you
I
said,
beg, as you post and you put S, you write S husband, put X. If you
no,
possible to write
no.
them.
Even if I know that ex-husband is okay like this, they go no say na your ex. Madam, this picture we put for here, so explain this picture to us before we proceed.
This picture was the ex-husband traditional marriage between the both of us.
What year was this?
That was I think 2013. 2013.
2039 put money for your head.
Now I pay my bride price when I born my third daughter. My third daughter did 6 months. If I'm not mistaken, I'll be 3 months. No, it did 3 months. So now the man take pay my bride price. My second daughter. May I just say, okay, after twins, the one with the follow twins, they 3 months. Now the man pay my bride price.
And Nigeria na for do this one have been a Europe here.
Now Italy, we just come that time. We finish for her, now we come house. We do the traditional marriage for house, then we go do reception for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't do one for us. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you stress for this thing and be now you tell you say you want to go put money for it because women deal with the beg husband. Say,
I was not even among the plan. I was not even among them when they were planning it. I was even there. That very day, I just birthed my baby. That was the day. I was so happy that day, 2013. That was when I just bought my first land. I was happy that very was my happiness day after the foundation. I bought the land instantly, I laid foundation. So I was happy. And he came to me and I said, oh, I don't call my people. May they go see your people. I said, how you will go call your people on my behalf without even telling me? He said, he want make him just do make it come up for Grammy, no day neck again. So that is how the process started. And so we take do. And now you pay money, now you put money for those children head that time.
no, now your head he put money, you not put money for those children head. Then
No, by tradition, that time we go be a canoe,
oh yes. Now I understand. Yes, now I understand. Traditionally, yes. That's why when a woman is now married to another man, he will now refer to the other traditionally in Benin. You can't refer to other men as he put money for those children head. I understand.
Yes.
I understand. Okay, after this traditional marriage and everything, what now happened? No, you don't already explain what happened yesterday.
Yes.
What he can change from this moment? What he can change from this moment? Short.
I want to know what you get for mind to start with. Secondly, what me notice and what I discover. Now, best way I open for everything we see. If I should judge the man, but I am not on social media for the case of this man. I am here because the wife never allow me to have my own peace of mind, even when she don't do what she do. Me and the man case, now German court, we want for finish that one. That one we must go there. But for the case of the court of social media, now the woman did the court of social media. I think we need to treat the man case, the woman case I mean, and pend the man on. Because me, I go definitely read German court. If na me stop and me
When
not
I
gonna
reach out to your ex-husband this evening, Your ex-husband told me that even before una come finally separate, say you cheat on her. Say those children cheat on
With
her.
proof.
Yes.
With proof. With which name? With which conversation?
He said that was why you were saying that, oh, you wanted to come back, oh, when they do sacrifice. You also said it yesterday.
That was when he left now for 2 years. I repeat it yesterday. Not when I was in Italy. He already have this woman. He already have this one with him.
Already. Okay.
Already. If you calculate,
you already move on, mommy.
he already go with this one, and I waited for him for 2 years. That is when I move on. Then when I see that the relationship wasn't what I want, I said, okay, I want to go to him so that the children, all my children have not finished giving birth. I want to have all my kids with one person. Then I beg him, whatever that you feel that I've did to you, I am sorry, let's come back. Then I go through the family as well. I cannot deny that. He wasn't in Italy. I did not cheat on him. If he said I cheat on him, I will serve him paper.
No.
I will serve him. Even if I'm a Christian. Even if I'm a Christian. Now that after 2 years when I did Germany, not when I did Italy, I do that. When my baby, I born my small girl, 2013. The baby did 3 months, now do traditional marriage. Then I entered Germany, March 9, 2014. What gap and space do I have there to cheat?
Okay. Hello.
Why is he lying?
Well, hello. Where? Domosa.
Well done, Moi. I want this one here, Bonnie, man. You won't lie now. You want to lie and cover your rubbish. I did not bring you here. We will go and finish our case in court. If I did not serve you court paper, don't call me Lovette. This time I'm ready for you people. You probably doing you think I'm a fool. I was waiting for this day to come. I will serve you paper from the court. If I did not do it, your case is not here. Oh. Your wife case is what I bring to social media court.
Okay. Oh, now your ex-husband is saying that it was 3 months interval, not 2 years. And it was your own father that called him and say, my pikin wan come Zo. Zo means my pikin wan come.
Christian Gegi told you make a nato stop lying so that you will live long. Why are you lying? I will serve you paper. Oh. This thing that you are saying, I will serve you paper from Ayelala. Medweke nonsense, you know me. I will serve you.
That was what
I will serve you.
The man said it was not 2 years interval, it was 3 months interval. That it was your own father.
Papa Laura, how would that possible if the man is not lying? Let me explain. I came to Germany 2014 March. He came where they already give us an apartment. We spent only 2 weeks in the camp. He came. In that 2013, we were still together through 2014. 2014, this man was still with us in Germany. The day this man called Bright to take this lady to hospital, then she was already pregnant. Or even it's like she fed in the bedroom. Let's say she fought for bedroom, maybe she fought for step. This man day with me for Germany. When he called Bright, make Bright carry this girl go hospital. It's not 2014. You were still with me in 2014. Where do I cheat? In 3 months. Papa Laura, did they let me not count you among. They go back, go cook story, come now. 3 months when he paid bride price, and he paid bride price. I think the bride price was paid in August something. Then I go to Germany, 2014 March.
Your bride price was paid in 2013, and
in 2013
in 2014.
In 2014, how many months they there? Where I go take cheat for 3 months?
Not 1 year interval.
How many months they there? How many months they there, my brother? You see lie, don't they come out from corner? You are a liar. Why are you lying? Hello? You want to cook story that will cover this girl? Me and you case is not here. No. Our case is in German court. If you like, Papa Laura, Please, I don't want to be pissed off. I don't want to be angry. Please. Because a man now, Jamemo Baba na yaswan mo gbera bi je.
Sorry, he come out 2015. Me born my daughter 2014 he come out. Then me born my daughter 2015. I go get my son belle 2016. Does that mean say after me go get belle, he wants to come make it come? Since after 2 years.
When you dey get belle, you don't pay your bread price and you get house. When you dey get belle, you know the quiet. I be quiet. I don't want to talk to you. You want answer? Now you get house. You carry belle from where? Who get belle?
Yes, one of the listing.
I told the pastor clear that the father have called me.
La tamawokan when on law, you know, you're watching every door.
The pastor no high.
Tamawokan when on law,
Because I can't prove my bank.
Tamawokan when on law, you're watching every door. You boy in the taxi, sir.
Ray Laura, can I finish my explanation?
Mama Titi, wait. Mama Titi, wait.
Let me make this clear now.
Nigga Egwan ask what? Are you okay? Nigga Egwan, are you commanding me nigga Egwan? Who wa ya be away? Who there? Don't tell me when nigga Egwan. Tell me with respect. No, talk to me. Talk to me with respect, Christian Igebo. Talk to me with respect. Don't tell me like Egwan, my favorite, I'm not be your favorite.
For that reason I am done. Oh, what if you more or 2 not advance that or go if you need? I favor me more than nowhere. I'm near when the train station at your brother won't hear Egola because I got my children at the school. So what when you have here?
It was you and I planned to go to Germany. It was you and I planned to go to Germany. Well, we must hurry up, baby.
Then I move for the year now.
Or deny. When are you starting there?
Yeah, go on. The time I no meeting here. The time I no meeting here. Speak pidgin English. Yeah, do.
They always talk every time.
Pidgin English, sir.
Children come for your house. If you pack your children come for your house, she decide to believe saying that she be the papa and the mama. And she pack and I said the marriage is over. When the father comes, I said, but what if you hear your worry or one after another? When I live annoying, God bear me witness because of we and little. Because the one you know they can't where because of my children, there are things I don't want to say. That have to do what I'll be quiet.
I want you to say, sir. I want this issue of this woman between and your wife to end today. I want you to say it. Mama Titi, when make it fair finish first because you not be media person. Now what's happened for the talk to her? So you go talk fair with make it.
Now media person, you don't first saga me, oh. Now media person.
Wait.
First you don't first saga me.
Wait first, we're mute. Yeah, talk to us. We are hearing you. Please, everybody listening. More than listening. You get why they do this thing. Make peace.
You know why I decided to call you, eh?
Yes, sir.
You know why I decided to call you, eh? My sisters, my family did this platform. I mean, call the same way they call me.
Okay.
Yesterday, they won't climb this platform yesterday. Even once, don't talk, say, he go correct what you should talk, yours now.
Yes.
He go correct. I mean, no one talk, and my sister did here, he go correct her. When this woman left my house,
yes, what are they give to?
Because that's truth. I celebrated this woman leaving my house.
Why? How? Why did you celebrate? Why did you celebrate? Why did you celebrate your own wife? Your own.
I'm free. And I free now. Can I come back from work? I go to fear to enter my house. I sleep inside car now.
For one day, Italy.
Christian, can you swear? Christian, the boy swear.
All this when police is ready because let me talk and say if woman you don't drop her.
Yes, may if drop. If you don't explain finish, then before we'll bring her back. Continue.
If woman they misbehave for this life, always learn. Now me they call police. As she did toxic crazy because I never raised my hand.
If you're on the corner now, you they call police for Italy.
My brother, now me they call police so me I tell you because I don't go pitch, I don't go do anything. He didn't kind. Nothing. He didn't kind, my brother.
She said that it was the agreement between you both to come to Germany.
Not be me with our I will tell you the gospel truth. People they here now we take this platform now. We say we'll sit down, we plan. God forbid.
Yes.
Because any country I enter, they try to integrate. You know how many years I take go school for Italy. I get my work, I get my everything. She know. You get patient more collect kata. Since work, I know they get contract again for Italy. Get patient more collect kata. That was the agreement. Me, Papa okay, Bright, not so nearby. Which other person? About 4 or 5 family. She said, okay, everybody agreed. I dropped children about 2 or 3 days because I should go discharge my picking for. I drop this woman, you know.
Well, wait to Janessa. Why would they do? Why would they? I'm why you going in here? I'm not saying for this platform. People where they are not they play. I don't want to offend anybody. Moderators, please. This man is explaining. Wanna wait. If this man don't explain finish, we can bring any other person up, which is Mama T. This was the reason why I was trying to reach out to the man so that he can also explain his own side of the story. Finish. Now the husband is trying to explain. Continue. Because they wanna wait, wanna collect kata. I beg they speak pidgin English. They speak pidgin English because the people will not the hear Benin. Because the people not the hear Benin. They speak pidgin.
Before I come back for one, and before this time, my daughter was sick. My daughter at the hospital. This woman discharged my daughter, come off for hospital, and she knows me and my friend they call Christian, my namesake. We beg this woman, why you won't discharge this pikin come off for hospital? You know, say this pikin they sick. This pikin almost lost his life. The next thing I hear from this woman, I say, I want to use my daughter. I say I want to use her do money ritual. Even my friend will talk. That woman, the man shocked. The man shocked. Say, why this one? Why you talk this kind of work come on for your man? Till today, all the time. But to me, what I'm even doing now, even by explaining myself, I'm ashamed.
No, sir, you don't need to be ashamed because
I'm ashamed
no matter what, it is your ex-wife.
Damage control in the because if this woman is really ready, I can buy her tickets.
Okay.
I'm a traditional man.
Okay, waiting in one go swear for now. Waiting in one go swear for now. Say now 3 months interval take cheat on you, not be 2 years. I'll be another one day with one swear for.
No, you don't understand. When she come after she don't come more from my house.
Yes.
Come Germany.
Yes.
We don't even know where she did. You understand? Now people tell me say they see this woman and the brother where they call Evans carry a collar. She come Germany. I don't know where she did. After a while now, I got the talk.
I bet hold on. Person will talk say no, I'm disappointed. When I block the person, that person will talk say no, I'm disappointed. Please block that person out of here. Go and disappoint with you. Me, I'm disappointed with you too. That person will talk say no, I'm disappointed. Block that person away from here. But you talk about I'm block her. Continue. I did listen.
And after all this while, I was in Italy. When she left, I said I'm done with the marriage. When the family called me, I said I'm not interested. Not me pursue you come up for us. Once woman back not come up for us, and I'm done. That's what she take come on. She can't take Germany. So people around me, she gonna call me saying, "I'll let her. You gonna call. Say, I don't get what I want you to do. You don't come on." So people from my area like the Mama Fabio, Confidence, people they call it beg me, Bright, and they call it say, if you behave like this, you don't make sense. You don't like say. You dey pursue this. I tell they say, my brother, I dey celebrate the fact that say I am free. Don't come out from my neck. I know they come as one this thing. In all, those people come push me, because it's okay. And which is the greatest regret I have till today. Coming to Germany to look for this woman. That time when she come out that 2014.
Okay. Sir, can I ask you a question before you proceed? This picture where you did my background, so we see from my back. What kind of picture was it? Was it just a normal photo shoot or was it traditional?
No, my dear brother. This is some of the reason why I tell people I encourage people. You see all these WhatsApp marriage where they do. You people should avoid it. There are some women where they favor. This same woman, I tell you one time, I can't let you okay there. Then again, I'm not where you're okay. My sister is here. I let her force me. She will tell you now. She did this part. She will tell you now. I let her force me. I tell her say this woman not pay her price because she's toxic. Now me no way they pay me until she change. In the name of say I don't want make two women born for me. I don't want to live the life where my father lived because my father was a polygamy. I said I don't want to live that kind of life. I want to live a straight life, believing that this woman will change. She not change. Now let's put that aside. So this one I'm married, our supposed traditional marriage, if you can see, okay. I was not even happy.
Supposed traditional marriage.
I dey take spend money. She dey talk say na me send money. My sister will tell you now say I dey take spend money. I not send money.
But you were smelling this picture, sir, and you are saying you are not happy. Maybe meaning you're smelling, meaning you were pretending to be smelling this picture. I you will agree because you were smelling here. Yes.
So, when I go to Germany to see them,
yes,
I don't know where she lives.
Yes.
I don't know where she lives. She gave me the address. I have never been to that Ingolstadt for the city where she came for my entire life. So I managed to get to where they were, and I saw her. We talked and we greet. You understand?
Yes.
At that time, so this my wife never did picture.
Okay.
My wife never did picture. I never even know my wife at all.
Which is Mommy 3D.
Mommy 3D, I've never even met her. I don't even know her thing.
Okay.
She was not even in my city.
Okay.
You understand now?
Yes.
And I came to Germany to see this woman. Me, I don't decide already to say I don't move on. I don't need it. So coming there, she was like, even after that evening where I just relax, just stay, play with the children and all those things. The following day, she started making trouble. But it was not like where unnecessary trouble only the following day. What is your problem? What is this? You mean say you still did Germany and say you never changed? The pressure was too much on me to the extent Aisha was in that house. Another lady called Joy. Aisha, they call her Echo that time. That one is Aisha take Chopaduro. They call the other one Joy. As well, that one take the house.
So what year was that when you arrived Germany to see her?
That was I think about 2014. Yes, I think so. When she just did come up now.
Okay, that was 2014.
Yes, I think I think 2014 or something. That same time when she just did come up.
Okay.
Because what she did, you know what she do? She carried my children come on based on say I love my children. Then because of that, I will come and look for her because she said do one before. When they carry my children wrong, go Napoli. That night I drove from my city 4 hours to go bring the come back. Yes. So now then she fed test the water. She fed test and say anytime she carry these children wrong, I must go after her. And you know the reason why I go pick her because I'm my brother's house from Napoli, I she go.
Okay.
Not because if to say she come out like that, this woman never raised my hand one day, I never beat her. You understand? So that is for that. As we there, she dey misbehave, they talk, they do all those rubbish. You all they misbehave, they do all those rubbish. My brother now jump window. Now come on. Before then, what it cause problem? So that lady where they call Aisha, because my network, Italy network not going to work well. So Aisha could give me one SIM card. Like that SIM card. The lady now because if Aisha is the day they activate her.
Well, they give to her, they
give. They want me buy credit €5 to activate the card. After doing that, that was just so the card can't do with that. I can't use that to make call. They call my guy for what do they call him? Italy. We have to talk normal, all those kind of things. The child is saying that guy have to say how everything be because blacks they follow up. Maybe because you know what it I can say. I want them with you. Don't want the people who force me come here. I'm not ready. You say, bros, don't relax. Everywhere will go. That is must start problem. As she start a problem, I not touch her. Not the next thing I heard, if she can be truthful, Aisha and Joy said, they used to need to talk a paper.
Okay, meaning not be as the woman they describe you to them, not be so you be and they interpret to my fans. We not the year beneath.
You should understand. When I give away she or you
no, so
my brother, the problem was too much. I left and I went to I even jump. Now window I even jump, run, come out because now down floor. I open it, they know they get burglary proof. I open the window now and jump. Make I go back to Italy. I don't tire for the wala. You don't believe say this woman tie my last baby, then victory for back.
Okay.
Come meet me for train station. Grip my shirt. I no go fit beat you. Now I suffer because you dey misbehave. Now I suffer carry phone. Now I call police. Now I still call police by myself. I don't feel beat. I never beat woman for my life. Now police come. You know Oyibo police they do now. What they did was choose. You understand?
Yes.
What police they do now? The first thing they just do now, this woman they carry go corner. They relate with all those kind of things. Then the next police also set out to make the carry me come out, make the woman go out. The woman insisted. Say no, she go follow the com station. Then she follow the boat. Then they follow the com. They come bring another bus. Come put us on separate cars. We can't go station. Before then, they never reach there. Before then, when we did that station, they carry her go interview. And the next time, the police come downstairs. They say I put my bed, put my shoe. They all put me inside, said, give me a cup of water, make I drink. I was like, what did it happen? They said, no, me, I your thing. So this woman now go tell police because at the end, what he saved me on, now WhatsApp message, wait in my phone, I saved me. So this woman don't go talk, I don't know what you talk, all those kind of things. The next thing somebody won't come, then I interpreter, they bring me come and say, see what did they happen, see what did the woman talk. So what did me come do? I said, now my children have become sick, but things became tossy and I wanted to leave. And she gripped me and said, now me call police. Because when I even call, I don't know their number. Now this firefighter now call. Now firefighter can connect me to police when police they come. Then the next thing said this woman say me come tell me to go kidnap my children.
Okay.
Now they are shocked.
Why are they put up now? Why are they put rose? Why is everywhere dry?
I don't know. I have never been. I don't even know this area. Please, can I have my phone? If na me come kidnap my children, then they give me phone. Now I show them. As she send me address, I take locate where they did, come reach where they did. Now the interpreter affect her. But the woman say you can't kidnap, she say my child, I want to kidnap my own kids. Because I she did chop at the road, and me she did chop at the road, which is normal. So they can't look everything, they can't settle everything. The next thing they now brought the children, I spend time with the kids. Police they now ask me because so they can't bring social into the system. Social now asked me, so what do I want to do? Do I want to take the children back with me to Italy? I said I don't want to separate the children from their mother. I believe they will do better with their mother than me. So what will I do? A police said, no, I can't buy my tickets. Where I take come back. They say, what did I want? I said, I won't go back to Italy this night. They tell this woman, no more as they come to come after my children spend some time with me. They come back, they give their money, they come go out. Now those people now come carry the go to the train station and enter train, go back to this thing, I come back to Italy. As I reach Italy small, I beg I'm wait because me I don't know if she go talk through. The next thing she just called me, they tell me say, I see what thing I do, she don't miscarry. I was like, how you tell miscarriage? I don't want to concern you. Before this day, on my way coming back to Italy, her pastor call me.
Okay.
I said, her pastor called me. He explained to me the truth, make I forgive the woman. I tell the woman, I tell the pastor, say, Pastor, now my ex, I said I'm concerned right now. What did bind us together? Now the children. I don't need anything to do with her. You see this woman, she go talk through when we did Italy, they call my sister, my cousins for house, me not the call. I never reported out to anybody in my family. That's the same question they're asking me today. Who did you tell that this woman was doing all these things she was doing? Nobody. Because I don't tell anybody that listen on my own. Now she will see carry phone, they call them. My cousin there, you go talk, because always want me, my cousin go talk. So probably not do all those ones. Then the next thing she called me, he said she miscarried. And I hear the tell her say, really? My dear brother, sometimes 3 months, I know they near this woman because I don't get this. My body don't go get up. If I greet you in the morning now, you feel turn problem. If I greet you in the evening, you feel turn problem. For me to get peace from my house, ask her. I have to bring somebody, make it. I pay a 70 euro every week. Saturday way they wash my house. Because when we say the house is too big, I dey pay person. So coming to Italy now, she heard me say she miscarry. Now I say, how is that my problem? Now me give you belle because the last time I checked, even before you left, we dey fight. Or for almost 2 months, we don't sleep with each other.
Lord, the way they wash me.
I don't do anything. So I can't come back to Italy. Then the next thing, the Aisha, before that time, that SIM card, so, when she coming for a train station, he said, I give her the SIM card. He said she believes that Aisha will give me the SIM card. Now my girlfriend, or 6 months. He get belle 6 months. He said that Aisha will give me the SIM card. Now my girlfriend, you know, that I must give her the SIM card. I said, now you give me SIM card. I don't think give you SIM card. Now you give me SIM card. I said, drop me now. You move the SIM card inside phone. Now I break the SIM card. Now I throw where. So when I come reach Italy, that same them Aisha and Joy now called. They were begging. You don't reach. And because of the children, just forget now. Now the children, she's even sorry. Tori yesterday now said they will buy my tickets. This one has a must now because I don't come pick a call. They call me for all those things. Inside that time, so now Papa they call me.
Talk out for pigeon.
Now that during this period when we don't date each other now, when we don't go gently come and now Papa take call. Say it be king. We won't do this traditional thing based on say 1 or 2 things don't happen. Now ask the Papa say why your daughter won't do this kind of thing.
Yes.
She don't go match line. Now I tell the Papa say a match line no match line. As long as they don't come out from my house, I have done. The marriage don't finish because now your brother when they say country for my lap for Italy, now help you pack load come out from my house. So I am done. Now I tell the family say I am done. In uncle there whether they call it Bigo. So all those ones come they call the door. Now they say me I move on. I am done. I am done.
That same 2014.
No, I think this should be around like 2015 now.
Okay.
All this one, no, that same 2014, all these ones happened.
Okay.
That 2015 again, when we come go, that time now me don't know my woman.
Okay.
I don't know my woman now. This is my woman will do for us. So because when all those things come to happen, all these pressure come to happen for this woman, my dear brother, I need to move on with my life to start another family. And I saw this woman and I liked her. I talk to her, I tell her my problem. The next thing my wife said, now you be that Papa twins, when they say, because I don't hide anything from her. I said, now me, I don't tell you about me.
Yes.
But he said, at first, my wife not green for me. My wife not green, not do anything. You know, it's not good fit. So it was up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, trying to convince all those kind of things. Before the Aisha and everyone their house, don't call me about bed because of the children just come. Those are coming for the child. Say, Mom, this same woman come to say, he go buy ticket for me. Make I take come just to show say he's sorry. Say he get money when he don't collect from government. I ask her say, when I get Italy, I go chop government money. When you go concern me concern your money.
Thank you for the gift. God bless you for the gift.
You understand? So after the pressure and everything, then bright everybody come say, okay, bros, you know me, just go. Now I come the second time. Coming the second time, all those kind of things. So coming here, to me, ask him, I bought my things, but you have to money, I am one man.
Okay, sir. Sir, all I want you to say now, I really appreciate the fact that you don't explain a lot of things to me. I don't want you to talk about the children part. The children part.
Okay, no. Okay, the children part. Okay, let us go.
The children part.
You see the children part, eh?
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie, you, As I pack my children come out, I made effort. Even my wife here made effort to reach out to her. Let me see the kids. From the beginning, I was talking to the children. After a while, because I said the marriage is no more, and I met my wife in 2014, then my wife started playing and all those things. Then that was just it. She blocked me from seeing my kids. She said, she even told them I'm dead. She even told them I'm dead. So I tried my best. Even my wife here tried her best to make sure say I get connection with the kid. She denied me access. And she denied me access.
Excuse me, sir. your wife tried access to get you with your, and then to connect you with your kids through her.
See.
Through her.
How many times?
Through her. Like she called your ex-wife.
No. My wife, they put pressure on me.
Okay.
My wife, they put pressure on me to make sure say I get connection with my children because she don't go for the house. You understand? All those kind of things. There is no way. Ask her now. Or even at a time, even my wife will even make peace with this woman so that the children can be together. Sometimes her head go correct. The only I say don't go talk to one or two person. The next thing her head go skip.
Okay.
Because now person when they listen to what this and that said, now she they repeat their life.
Okay.
You understand? So for the children, after a while in Loki, I decided to put a stop to it.
Which year, sir? Excuse me, sir. I keep records. Which year it denied you not to see the kids?
I think that should be 2017, 18. Can't remember vividly well. Because I came to Germany finally 2017.
So before this time, you did see your children and or you did get communication with them?
No. I'm not coming again. No. I'm not going to come Germany.
But you can't hear from them for phone.
I'm not come Germany.
You can't call them for phone.
No, I'm wrong. You know why? While I was in Italy,
yes,
in 2016,
yes, yes,
when my daughter want to birthday, I come buy gift to bring. Even my wife, now I follow me go buy the gift where I won't carry come Germany. Come they celebrate my daughter 1 year birthday.
Okay.
Now that day is the last day when this woman talked to me.
That was 2016.
By May.
2016 May.
2016 until I now came to Germany 2017 finally. In and half of that time, my wife already now don't come Germany. You understand? This time around, my wife don't born my first daughter.
Which is Mommy 3D.
Mommy 3D. My wife is already in Germany while I was in Italy. And I said I want to round up there. And I came in 2017 to meet my wife finally.
Okay. And since that time, now you know the battle this speaking matter they come.
It isn't a joke. Because I tell you the reason why I gave up.
Yes, tell me.
I called one day, Victory picked the phone, which is the last baby. As I called, I said, do you know who is talking? He said, no. I said, this is your dad. He said, no. They said, my real dad is dead. I have a new dad now. This woman collect the phone from her. Say, even Monata, or we may mind the Monata, or say, what did he speaking talk? He said, I'm not here. I said, see what he said, I'm lie. He said, not be so he talk. So already should tell my children because he said, because I'm not there, they are alive. God knows I make effort. But me, as a man, God knows I can never force myself into any child. As I cannot force myself into any child. I am among those where they talk and say, when woman pack Peking come on, I use it to let pack and let her pack and go. Because if not be this my wife, when they push me back and say this woman don't go for you, I'm not sure I will lose send. Because he don't pack and not come on for my house.
Okay.
So that's just it. So the question now is, it's been almost 13 years. What does she really want? Because the last time I checked, she said she was married. And that was the reason why I called. When I even talk to somebody there, I asked, say, the wife where this woman, the man where this woman married, now Benin man, they say yes. And I say, Benin where we should come from, there are forbidden things that is not supposed to be said. Why is this woman saying all these things? This woman will go come social media. Will they talk about my penis, how my penis be, how my buttocks be, the kind of man put in my body, all those kind of things. I was like, no, the Benin man, this man married.
Okay. So till now, since that time, you never hear from your children on phone. Since that time till now.
Till date. No, till date, no.
And now you just let them go, or you are still trying to make sure say you hear from them. Now that they are almost getting to 18, especially even if you are the woman.
Okay. Now I remember vividly well now. My daughter be 2 years birthday till now. Now I never talk to them. I don't remember that. That child now should be 13 or 14 years old.
Which is the last one. Which is the last one that time.
Yes. I don't remember now. Because Victor was 2 years old when I say make connection. Till date, I have not talked to them. And the reason why I'm saying all these things, I can never force myself into those children's life. I can't. My wife for house now only the problem when we can get everything because my wife always believes what I'm doing now. If peradventure, yes, when I say my wife, they talk out for social media say, if even though anything happen between me and them, based on what don't happen, it will better leave the children for me for us. Come on, go live our life.
Okay.
You understand? So that's just it. So till date, I've not talked to them. I've not disturbed her. I've not done anything to say. I don't call her. I don't have a number. She doesn't call me. I don't care. You understand? It's just I say about 4 or 5 years ago, where they accused my wife, say my first daughter say not be my daughter, say I want Ghana man. And later that they say I want Ishama. I ask her what my family tell her. For my father, say I ask her say if he talk because he say the pikin wey she even born by God grace. Now they ask us if you say that by God, that means the people they claim say na our own, not be our own. You go run DNA test. Now my sister I will tell her say you know what you do the talk say that forbidden thing.
Okay, sir, do you know what's going to happen? On my own verdict on this very issue, no matter what this woman might have done to you, try as much as possible now that you are still alive to connect with your kids. Number one, I have an 18-year-old child in Nigeria with similar situation. We be say me and my baby mama will get you. At the end of the day, I abandoned that child for more than 5 years. It was my father that told me that before he died, me so rest in peace and say, no matter what happened between you and a woman, do not deny your child. Now that those children are of age, try as much as possible. I can join you in this fight to make sure that you reconnect with your kids again. Because no matter what this woman would do to you, this woman also said yesterday that, yes, traditionally she is married, but by law, she is a single mother. She's not married. Because if she eventually got married here in Europe, your name will not be wiped out automatically. So if your wife can still stay, if your ex-wife can keep that law to herself.
Sorry to cut you.
Well, not married for Europe. No, I know. Like if she married now, the children name go come be the man name. And they don't want one like that. If a woman can
which law Europe talk that one?
No, I don't know. That was what she said yesterday. But
that's the reason people to integrate.
That was what she said yesterday, that if she eventually married, probably yes. I not do research on the issue, but if there's any fight you are fighting today, sir, if there's any fight you are fighting today, it should be on how to reconnect with your kids. I will tell you the truth.
How can I reconnect with kids without the same woman?
The only way you can reconnect with your kids is to settle the dispute, not to come back to her, but to make sure that you connect with your kids.
Okay, now
that should be.
Ask her. She said, definitely should know somebody called Roland.
Yes.
Roland broke peace between us, which is my cousin that lives in Afitu. Then I agreed with I will come. I was very happy. I told this woman, me and my family, that if I'm coming, I will like the fact that your husband will be there. Traditionally, because you said this man don't pay your bride price, you are married. You understand? And I said, if I'm coming, I will come with my family, where I will thank your husband and say thank you for taking care of these kids. At first, she agreed. 2 days before that day, she now called me. Did you say the other day that we I said, yes, me and my family. She said, no, it's not possible. Our husband will not be there. For that reason, my wife shouldn't be there. I was like, woman, you don't marry. He said, the husband not care. The husband trust her that if I'm coming, I should come alone. I said, it is not done anywhere. Because if I'm coming, I must come with my family. I need a witness. You know what I didn't go? Because my cousin is aware of this, who broke out this thing. I said, Roland, even if I come, this woman want to set me. I know her plan because she don't take up a long time because she must send me go prison. If she don't send me go prison, at the marriage where I did so, it not go ever work. She will make sure say this my marriage is break. So in that process, I got to say, it's not possible. Me not go fit come. My wife was not even aware of all this thing because the sometimes I post my wife to talk about this thing on social media. When I reach out, because I don't tell my wife already, on this day we dey go visitation. Because now because say I even declare that I need to bring them near me for visitation. Yeah, so right now, and now can I say on here, if I say this place will not go again, see what this woman talk for me, it's not conducive for me. That's why I said it's not even conducive that God is the married woman. Now I call my cousin. Roland, see what this woman talk to me not go fit. My cousin call it beg me just. I said, for me, it is not done because it's like taboo. Now married woman for crying out loud, I not go fit. Even if me come with alone without my wife, what if my wife go think for us? Say I won't go meet my ex.
Okay, now sir.
So now for that matter take that.
Okay, now sir, I want to ask you a very simple question, sir.
Right.
With the help of me and all my fans all over the world, will you like to reconnect with your kids?
Like I said, without the connection of the woman, if the woman say yes, I don't have any problem. If the woman say yes,
I will bring her today and also ask her the same questions. No, I don't want you to answer for the woman and say if the woman say yes. If now you mean want me answer the question. Like in your own heart and mind, will you want to reconnect with your own kids?
Okay, these children are my children, no. Now my blood, though, they will complete 18 years very soon, no. The one where I born, I follow them, they follow them. So they are my first blood. I won't go deny it. The reason why I stayed away, I want them to have peace. I don't want them to be confused. I can't force my way into their life because the only access I can have to those children is their mother. So I don't want to force myself. I don't want people to go court because I want to fight to collect my kids.
Okay.
They deal with their mama, and I believe as they deal with their mama, they will do okay. So what I'm saying in essence is that as far as I'm concerned, they are my kids. If the woman said today, this is their number, call them, I will call them.
Okay. No problem.
Meet with them.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for acknowledging my call. I appreciate the fact that you explained a lot of things. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Baba. Thank you. All right, my people. Now, these three people, Mommy Tiridi husband, Mommy Tiridi, and his ex-wife. Mama Titi, you can come up now. Because if there is anything we are doing here today, after all these things, should be how your children can reconnect with their father. No woman on this planet have the right to tell children where come me for the man before he married the man, make them not enter the house. Except say now when the woman and the man already married together. Like as I deal with my wife now, I can't go born for her side. My wife get her to talk, so you don't want to see that picking yet. But the one me fed there for us, my wife cannot tell me that she does not want my daughter to visit me anytime, any day. That is why I am trying everything possible that we must see the end of this thing tonight. I don't want to pick too much calls so that I will not be distracted. Mama Titi. Mama Titi, please, you can come up now and explain your own. The reason why I don't want to bring you and together is now quarrel.
Papa Laura, first and foremost, number one, there is a very big lie in the story this man narrated. Very big one. too big. I don't even know where I want from start to defend myself.
Now you now go come the debunk.
They listen, oh, the first lie where this man lie. Say
Yes.
no know where I did for Germany. Ah, Jesus. He say no know how I take on Germany. You know I take on, you send me money. You send me money, say, love it. I call you, say, money where they with us don't finish. You send me money, first time you send me 50 euro. You recharge my Leica mobile. Say, since we just come, may you feel the reach me. You not send me Germany. Your brother not contact me. Fine, you not fit drop us. My brother help me carry back. They see you for road. They know whether I'm here you discussion. They day with us inside house. Secondly, I never miscarriage for Germany. I no miscarriage. I no carry belly at all. I won't take carry belly where my baby with them are never big. I know say some people grow, but they are still as well. I don't say it's you. You can claim it, but that is one. Then you come again, say my late father. Now he call you. Ah, God. Now so you dey lie. You say na Ekpo give you SIM card. How you take no Ekpo? You are Ekpo na neighbor. Una get connection. Not be true me. You take no Ekpo. Not me go meet Ekpo collect SIM card for that lady and buy 10 euro card for you. May you take call your friends. Then that the same day, now that the other girl you make sure you enjoy. She did hear the watch. When I come back, now she tell me, say, Mama, see oh, somebody they call me since last night I don't sleep. He say him be your those children husband, girlfriend, boyfriend. Who be Tina? You skip Tina because your wife did there. Wetin happen to Tina's story? After Tina come out, wetin happen to Balewa where they come rent house? Are you not the one that tell me that Balewa is coming to rent apartment with his girlfriend? Come debunk that one. If no be you, call me. Me and you not there. How you go take call me? Say Balewa, I forged the name. I forged the story. Say Balewa with his girlfriend. Walk on renters. Christian Igebo, can you swear with everything you have, apart from my innocent children? Because now that one now I know as children. That is another one again. Then another one you still talk. He says, I can't beg you, may you can't come back. I said it yesterday because I never believe or expecting a broken home. I beg you to come back. I never even do anything with anybody. I can swear with my life. That is what I was telling you first time when you come out call police. All this story we take call police now girlfriend story. Not be say I fight you, not be say I insult you. When you come, before you come, I don't cook your favorite meal, which is rice and stew. I cook and down. I don't fight you until I carry my little daughter go playing ground. As I come by now, the story of boyfriend and girlfriend and blah 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 came. That result to police. You call the okay, give me the phone. Me I to check can. Waiting the boy talk now true. You say lie. You carry now you don't call police direct. Let's say you they forget yourself because you not call police direct. You call all these fire brigade. Now you call. Now those ones help you call police. Immediately you remove the distance from the SIM card. You break the SIM card you throw away. A woman that does not want peace, you don't want peace, so you don't want anything good. You go run after the man. Let's settle her. No, settle finish. If you reach Italy, you feel go fight the boy. If I don't need home, may stand. All these efforts, I go to do, I go gather money where government they give me and my children till leave. They wait for you. I don't do anything that time. I don't know anybody that time. Why you they lie? We come back to my victory. You know, say I know they use my children play. Oh, you know that one. Not lie against them. Igboa. Victory issue. You don't know victory. When 1 year birthday, you not come. Now me and Sister Lisa go do birthday, 1 year birthday for her for Munich. I have the picture. You were not in the picture. It was after the birthday when the baby day 1 year and 2 months. That is when you came. You were not there 2 years. You were not there. You have never celebrated that girl birthday once. You have never celebrated with them, with her. You might celebrate birthday with a victory. One year you were not there. 2 years you were not there. Christian Igebo. Till this almost 13 years, you have never been in the picture. That one at the bottom. Then what again? Did you say you talk about coming back to pay the bride price or coming back to beg you. I did. Which I said it before. I waited. I was waiting. Umare, no communication, nothing. By the time you communicate, I even tell my husband, when I know my husband, say I tried. Because I'm not, my father don't get polygamy. My elder sister, my mother don't get polygamy. My elder sister, they married, did not get polygamy. So I don't want to carry the garment either. That's why I was fighting to make sure I get back my home. But what did you do? You said no. Umagwalo. Well, you said you can't celebrate where I come out. Which musician you carry where you celebrate? Who? You celebrate. What about my property? Where were you? Where did you come? Because I remember you came 3 times. You come visit us 3 times before this incident happened. You come visit us. Abi, you not come talk that one put again. There's something you said again. Because I all the things you said, I think like you cut and short, I for still remember. Can anybody, Pinogi, please remember me of some? You talk about when you call Victory can't tell you say you don't die. Not be audio again. Last time you say na audio.
Mama Titi.
No, the small girl.
Mama Titi. You know you
remember. No, I know. Allow me to talk. When Christian they talk, you not tell what you want.
Mama Titi, no, wait. You know why I let her talk. You don't already explain.
No. Let me talk my own.
Today, you will explain, Diana. If you must explain today, make it be brief. And let me ask you a question. If you will allow this man to still be in your children's life, that is the truth.
If you want, I'm coming. Lord, I don't do nervous, now don't verse. Wait. I want to talk about when they said they won't come visit the children. I think I remember that one now. It was during Corona.
Talk about the children. Forget about every other thing that has happened. Talk about the children.
Okay. It was during Corona, but it's good for us to know the truth too. If you want to forget every other thing that happened. Then now he called me. He travel go Nigeria. As he reached Nigeria, that thing don't deal with your wife. Now during Corona time, I don't even consign them. Now the sister where they deport from America. Now she call me say, I beg Mama Twins. You know say you the verse. This matter you don't 2 day grant. I beg. Allow these children, Father. They call your children. Now then I say, Mama, your brother one day call. He never one day buy SIM card. Or he buy charger. Or he buy phone. Since where they born the children don't hold their papa anything gift as birthday gift to. He not buy phone. What do you want to the rich children? Not be saying buy phone now say I season. No. Now the woman they try to convince me say you know me. Say since I dey take off then since then, waiting come be phone where the man no fit talk. If now my good you they beat me put God they wait you for front. I can't say okay mama. You know, so now they always talk to me, and I know they like to say no to people. I can't block him. He can't call. So as he called, and the children can't they talk. I can't just still forget that time. So when he can't come back, I be before you go, I don't know, but it was during Corona and Christmas period as well. You gonna tell me say if for like make him talk to the children. I said okay, no problem. I can't pass the phone, give the senior daughter. Now the girl say he no go carry. He said no carry because he don't want me anybody lie against her. Because this man felt like against that girl. And that girl now your own favorite inside, my first daughter. He tell us he no want talk to her. Anything we concern her, he no want me concern him. Her. Because many times if he talk, he go change her. He no want
to. The power tap. 9,002 people are watching.
Never been in Africa. I've never been in Africa.
Everywhere is dry.
So my daughter can't say no carry phone. So now I can't carry give the junior one. The junior one for twins. So now the junior one can't pick. He can't tell and say, hello, hi, good evening. They can't greet. He said, you know they talk to you. Now the girl say yes. He said, it's me, your daddy. Now the girl say, why do you need us now? The time we needed you as a father, you were never there for us. Why are you not looking for us now? My second daughter can't ask him that question. Now he say, sorry, a lot of things have happened. Please forgive me. So now my second daughter can't forgive. I can't say, daddy's coming to visit you guys. What will you like daddy to buy for you? My second daughter can't say, I need the Afro 14 Pro Max.
No cause
Now
for
I
now,
pinch
please.
am.
Now for concentrate, I beg. Because no cause
Now
for
I
the
pinch.
please. Mona, wait,
Now I pinch my daughter say. Now I pinch my daughter say, why you go ask for iPhone 14 Pro Max? You know, if you know whether you get money. Now my daughter say, I'm just joking. You can buy me clothes from Zolando. Now the man they ask what be Zolando. Blessing my wife because I overheard that because she they always they sit beside the man. That one not my business. Can't tell the man say we're there for the other clothes. And I the man say if now that one no problem now, he go buy clothes. Come. So he can't pass for give my small angel. Now that one can't greet her. That one, you know, they talk. You just talk to her just 2 minutes. You can't pass. If you say give your mom that the phone. Now the man asked me, or say, Martins, what you go feel buy? Come. What do you think? Now I say for me, my children know the lack of anything. They okay. The way me know say mother they take care of children, they are okay. They are not lacking of anything. But if now chocolates or daddy bear or flour, those things are still gifts that you can give them. And you say, okay, no problem. We can't talk, oh, Papa Laura, we can't forget. You can't tell me say go come before Christmas. Now me can't tell and say, no, do Christmas and New Year with your family first. Since Corona Day, they don't put distance, social distance. So before they will start school for January, you feel come. That's why I tell the man. He can't say, okay. Papa Laura, I wait. January almost finished.
Which year you talk? What year?
Now during Corona, that time where they take you from for Corona time.
2020.
Yeah, now that time. So now you can't tell me say this one that's okay. Me just finish that side. January don't almost finish. The day where this man called me, he dey work, I dey go school. I even tell him say I no dey so I dey go school. He can't tell me say he be one explain things to me. Oh, he no fit just come without he no buy something. Can't give the children. Now he make him never come because this January so na so vote that do na so like I do. He can't na zero. Now say but he know me. Seeing the children, he just okay. I'm not saying make him see me. Oh God help me. Like as we talk finish, they can't call you. I can't say no days. I get appointments. So from there I'll go school. Now you can say okay, bye bye. We can't cut call. Then January don't almost finish now. I think the early February can still call me say if for like making him come with his family. Papa Laura and everybody watching us. Everybody wanna listen. You can't say he go like come with his family. Now say for my own opinion, this time we not the quarrel. Not be anger, we not even the verse like say will be for me the man and my enemy. So we not even the talk like we not even the there's no anything like aggressive here. Because I come and say for me, you better say may you first consider the children since you don't take where you see them last. Yes. Then if you consider, you go inform them say your siblings, that is your stepbrothers and sisters. When I'm coming next time, I will bring them along so that you guys will know each other. Now he said, but if for like make me and my husband and him with his family, may we come together, eat together. And I say, no. Papa Laura, now what did this man tell me? Now I say, no. My present husband, that my husband say, no. My husband even day. Say, he can't say, my husband can't say, what he can consign her? May he go see children. And me, I know they go there, meet by myself, I know they go.
The man say, my husband say, that can't see.
Before God, before all the ancestors who were before my father.
Make you bring your wife.
Let me bring my own present husband. Yes.
Why?
May I bring my present husband? May we come sit down together as family.
Why?
Say you won't even appreciate my husband for helping me to take care of my children. Now say, what did they worry you? Now I say, what did they worry you? How you go abandon children? Another man, you're going to thank your fellow man. Are you okay? Now that thing won't make me when I say make I not bless now.
I bet Mama T wait.
Papa Laura.
Wait, Mama T. Honey, that's a very bad thing. Though we never hear from the husband to confirm if you think the woman they talk not truth. You understand? But allegedly, the woman saying is not right. You be like as my baby mama come be now. My baby mama is married already. Then my baby mama come to say, make I bring my children and you. May I come see my first daughter. I don't understand. What? Yeah, I cut off now with this so.
Papa Lord, I don't feel like if everybody they follow Mommy Joyous, I don't explain this for Mommy Joyous platform. I don't explain that for my own Facebook as well.
He said
I don't
it
explain
just
now.
now.
My husband,
No,
the only job that I don't want to bring my husband into this.
Mama Titi, he said it before now. That's true. Sorry, I did not say allegedly. He said it, but I asked him one question just now. He no answer me, which is momentarily the husband. That's why I just want me you round up before I'll come ask him question. Because the question when I asked momentarily the husband, I asked momentarily the husband say, did you pay this woman bad price? He doesn't. He say, no, I do this thing, I put money for us, may they avoid
Papa Laura, we don't even need those things. We don't need those things because I did not summon the wife.
Wait. He talk him. Now I remember. Sorry that I'm using allegedly. He said it. And when I ask him a question about marriage, just say yes. But now when he cut off, say he was not smiling. He said no smile. You dey smile for the picture.
Papa Laura, make I not forget my explanation. Make I explain. We don't know.
My fans where they correct me and they talk to because he talk am before because they use the word allegedly. You understand?
Okay.
That's why I don't want to take us again. Make her for not dey distract. Continue.
Okay. So now, so you can't ask me. So okay, if I not allow my husband, I give her my husband number. Now, so you get what you now define. You don't ever see weird person married before ex. We come they ask the demand for present. One number. Una once got my home, now there I converse. Now I ask and say, Christian, this demand of your family coming, my own family coming, is it for your own benefit, your wife benefit, or for the benefit of my husband? Or we're both? If I lie, oh Jesus, I must have been record, all those things I forget. Now say if now that one, say if that means if road are not come now, you know go come. He said no, now so auto pay, not come. Bye-bye. I can never allow them, I can never allow her to come. I will still say it even till tomorrow. Anytime, and I will not allow this man either to come and see my children. He has to go and bring me paper from court. I know what thing they prevent. Papa Laura, I know what now. At this stage, at this age now, I not fit give birth again. You see the one when I get so, I need to protect them. If this man won't come see these children, he have to go to court.
That's true.
He not say he get case for court where he come. 2040 when he call police because the way they can they do like person way does already in the take in don't take waiting in the take you don't hide for spirit you can't do any for praise of police. Then they tell me say it's like we are not safe in that house because the man already know the house. The only punishment that were given to me, they took my advice from me, and the man said if now this speaking take out chopaduro, government go collect the children from you. They now tell and say when you can have me they don't feel collect picking from me. I will use my life as a sacrifice for my children. Nobody feel collect them. Italy not feel collect them. So Jem not go fit. Because I'm not this useless. I'm not be useless mother. I too stand for my children. Both physically, spiritually. If not, waiting they don't do so far. But I thank God. You understand? As he don't start all this reggae, they're going to say they will carry us come up for the house. Now they say he never reached that. But my advice were taken from me. After a while, they give me the advice back. Ask me why else one get present telephone number. Why else one come appreciate work where enough he do. One come appreciate my present husband. Is that not foolishness? If I should ask, that one now can't still clear. Since that day, Papa Laura, he not make attend. I not trouble them. I not wahala them. Say they must come, they must not come. I not trouble them. Ask her. I not trouble am. I don't ever call her, even when his wife call
now,
my husband.
Now, because of time, what is now the way forward? The main reason why you brought this issue to me.
The main reason why I bring the issue here, especially to you, one, I know that you are a peacemaker. I need peace. That is why I bring it. I don't want his wife to bully me again. But for me, as the man who we see in Jama court, I always tell him, go to court. Since you claim that I'm the one who never allowed you to see your children, you go to court. Tell them, I want to go and see my kids. The woman is preventing me from going there, and I am paying money. If really you are paying money, I think Jama government will not take that. They will not take that. If really you are paying Unterheit, you are not the one paying Unterheit. Because you refuse to pay, that made them take you to court for the 30,000 euro. Not be the money where I eat for a salon. Now the money where they take that is Unterheit. Your wife talked one thing yesterday. He said, as you won't change driving license, The concept you can't bring your children details. My husband have driving license for over 20 years. When he want change Italian driving license to Jama home, they don't ask him any details of his children. Papa Laura, know what they do for that area? That's where they call me. They too see me finish, oh, not be joke. They see me, they see me finish. They all call me, Christian, y'all call me. He say, Mama twins, I just a feed paper now. I want to apply for German passport. We want to go Canada. Send me those children birth certificates and the school certificate. Now say, who children? The children where you know they call, you know they take care of. I don't understand. Who children? The next thing, I can't that day self, I even do in a good mood. Me, I always do in a good mood. And I say, okay, send me money if you want get her. Then I say, how much? I say, how many there be? There be 3 now. Send me 300 or 500. For what? Why go send you money? You don't take this thing. I don't take count to become war. And one thing I discover, that time when they call, if this man dares in a tiger, but if he reach work in the talk, he go open man like tap. Tell me everything where they happen. You don't want me? Now me won't come to do this thing for you. Papa Laura, if they talk to me well, if they working place. Now me they avoid the call. If they talk to me well, they go tell me everything what they do for there. Now if in their house, then they fear to talk. If they do like say they carry gun face and say if you talk anyhow, you are dead. Dead is dead. Why are you lying? Is it because you are with your wife? Me, I'm not they break your home. I not get what now they use you they do. Then not be safe for mount. Not be this time again. You understand so? What you can't come here, can't they claim say what's happen? If you dare house, my brother come and can't talk this one. If you dare house, you are in trouble. Even your brother so-called Roland, even tell me. Say if your brother dare house, he's not the fear not and talk. Oh. But if you come on, go work, the conversation they long. Your brother also tell me that.
What kind of fear,
you get a point in there?
What kind of fear? Because momentarily the women, I don't know if you beat that man. So what kind of fear are you talking about? Are you fear?
Enough people hand to hand, but my brother, the man they fear. Even as if they see the way they talk, now fear it come out this evening. We know ourselves. Now fear it come out.
Yeah.
Now fear, they don't know. In the fear. I don't know for right in the way wife, they in the fear. I tell no say your account na minus. I tell you, no person come me tell me. Now you tell me. I tell no say you get problem with voter. I be wife, I be waiting, I be to run. Not being tell me, not be conversation. He call me. Now he call me. Talk reach there. In the work. If in they break that time, in they call me. Christian, let me tell you. You said 2017. Now you see your children reach. Why you they lie? 2017, I born my boy. You miss it when I don't deal with this my present husband. Me, I used to the talk. You see they come.
Wait.
How you take on 2017?
Wait. You born your boy in 2017.
Yes, my first son with my present husband, 2018. Now I born now.
With this your present husband, what you do with
Guys,
now?
how many years? My present husband, what I deal with now.
Okay.
2017. I come Germany.
And before that 2017, your ex-husband not consider the children again.
Ere Laura, the last time this man saw these children was when Victory was 1 year and 2 months.
And
the
what
baby
year
never
was that?
1 year and 2 months. 2015 early 2015.
What are they gift me?
Early 2015.
I also close court
Early
now.
2015.
Well, not gift me, I'll close court. Everybody. What are they gift me?
Not close court. Now me carry close court.
Not gift. Not yeah, gift or what? Net as of 500. No money go. Where will they shoot? Nothing. So you mean
He want contract.
He last saw the children in the year 2015. Okay.
Early 2015, when my daughter was 1 year and 2 months. I born her 2013, May 10. Then 2014, now I will take on Germany.
2015 till date. He has never set his eyes on those children till now.
Not setting his eyes, not sending a gift, not even good communication, nothing. I see go handedly trade these children.
That time till now, has he paid the children maybe they say €100 take?
Papa Laura, I said there is no communication, good communication. Not
My daughter's name is Nora.
Nora. Okay, Nora.
Nora.
Laura or Nora. Okay.
One Nora. Nora. N-O.
Okay.
Nora.
Okay, Papa Nora.
I am not.
I say Laura.
Papa
Okay,
Nora. Nora.
Nora. Oh my Georgie. Our George. Nora. Papa Nora. So since that time, till now, you never one day see those children. The area where it's all say now, so you buy birthday gifts. That birthday gift, you not be you buy am. Why you dey lie? All the time where they come from Italy, now these children godmother, where you go scatter a house. Katia tell me when I go Italy, he say you be bad person. Now gift where Katia buy give you, may you can't give twins. Now those things you keep, they give that woman. That is why that woman don't want to see you with her eye till tomorrow. You will tell the woman, say, you won't come here, come see your family. Not knowing, that woman not even know, say, you get another family elsewhere.
Madam, I want to ask you one question. Have you ever one day inculcate or tarnish the image of your ex-husband to your children? Be sincere.
No. I even by myself, I even teach them and say, if your father comes, sometimes I would just like want to play them. I say, would you like to speak to your father? Even though I not get the man number. Now then by the same time, say, please, mommy, don't spoil my mood. Please, mommy, don't spoil my mood. Oh, children for abroad.
Wait, hold on. If you know they tarnish the image of your ex-husband to your children, why will a kid now tell you not to spoil their mood?
Okay, because first time when the father called police, the day away. Any child where he say no, they beat me. That is things me
when last the call police 2014, how old were those kids as a day?
2014, my kids were about I think they celebrated their birthday year, 6 years birthday year. That should be 7. I think he had the 7 years that time because
they notice. They don't notice.
Even that thing, even the one way happen for Italy, it's still there on your head. When you carry Agbada, say you won't do what you want, it's still there on your head. I carry audion go restroom. He sit down for that. Okay, get up, made the girl pee. Now so the man just say push me with belly. Audion, till tomorrow that thing did that pikin. The pikin still they tell me say, I remember how my daddy push you, how Papa called police for you. He still they tell me the story. Till now, even that time, even there 5 years. Not talk of the one way happen for a year for Germany. Me, I don't get that time. I even they tell them, say, if you grow up, I want you to forgive him. If you have any grudges or annoyance, forgive. If you won't go see her, you are allowed. But now, no, it's not possible for me. I know allow this man to see these children because the wife say over a dead body. He say unless she buy, now only that thing that those children will take on. She they talk on for live video every time, even before today. Our first Facebook where they hack. That Facebook and my story and my children's story. The second one where she opened, she they use and sing. Say she not go allow this man come see these children. No place where they don't make attempt to come. Oh. They never come say I pursue them. They never come say I'm not allowed. I never said any time apart from that time when he say make me bring my husband. He might know that I don't know what my husband do. Not only that time, you don't get any other time, no day. I don't be this social media where she they talk every time. Say she not go agree. The man say he pay money. Papa Laura, he not pay money to me. Papa Laura, or man,
who pay money to?
Now government, now then with government they fight this battle. So this battle where the country they fight me. Now government they fight the inside body for unside. You see that 30,000, so they go court. The day where they go court. Now this the brother when they talk, so now he call me. Say, Mama Twins. You don't know the area where you did today. Papa Twins, they can't get vacation. They can't court for vacation. His brother even go buy chicken, buy beer, wait for her. According to Roland, he video and snapper. He said, in they wait for his brother. Now, got that area when they go court, now that area my doctor day, and I get appointment. Instantly, now I call my husband. I don't feel hide anything for her. Now I call my husband and say, see you, I be want to go see my daughter, but see what thing they say they happen for that area. I don't want to go, me, I don't go jam the man. I don't go out that day. In the go court. Then with the government, they go court. You see, you not go pay that fatherly support. You not go pay lie. Now they begin the drag and they go court. As they drag and they bring me letter. Because why? Now me be the mama. Now he be their papa. So anything when me sign, now me the carry go post for them. They go constantly reply am. All this battle where you dey see, Papa Nora, not be anything, no. Now the untie height. I don't do them anything.
This topic now is going to the closure right now. Because I believe say you don't already explain everything finish. Now the moment 3D now will come the wait today. But Mommy 3D will choose if she will still come. Probably I don't know because the husband told me today, say you don't want my wife come. Probably that's why he come. I don't know. Madam.
They don't do a sense of duty. You know what?
Madam. What now I talk today, What now I talk today? Like the man is calling. Hello. Hello. Hey, don't know Baba. Nilo, okay. No, okay. What's the name? What's the name?
I go call people, can't they lie?
Miss Vela. Miss Vela, please, moderator, bring Miss Vela up for me. Africa who? Not be bad thing. You just see me hype and break somebody up. It's not bad. We don't do.
Now his sister say me you bring up. I know that his sister will won't bring
Miss
up.
Vela, I'm gonna bring Miss Vela.
Why be say?
Gonna calm down.
Why in our conference call they can't they do?
Miss Vela. When I bring Miss Vela up, moderators, when I look for Miss Vela, I'm gonna bring her up. One Africa. Miss Vela and One Africa. May they bring them up. May they bring them up. May they bring them up. No.
Now Roland. That One Africa na Roland.
See.
Now your family they won't bring up.
They don't get lovers worldwide. I am not a baby. I am not a baby. Sometimes when I go one I drum the one I want. Somebody say, make I prepare you up. We go prepare you up now. We don't judge. We don't judge. We never judge. This part are still going. We never judge. So why are we say, no. We don't judge. We never judge. People don't get that to speak. Even for court of law, you'll see some people go to support this side. The other lawyer, that's why they get two lawyers. If I carry, you carry. Your lawyer go to tell my lawyer say I do the thing. My lawyer go to tell your lawyer say I not do the thing say it happen. So it be One Africa. I be one here.
Justice Enogi, what?
I greet you, Baba. You go speak pidgin me before they understand.
May you last long, Justice Enogi.
Thank you, women.
Yeah, this matter na my matter.
Okay.
Now my family matter be this. Okay. Mama twins. I happen to know her on my own. Before she introduced herself to me, I know her on my own. My pastor gave her my number. Make I help the husband for something. I can't really help the husband for the two things for execution here. From there we can become family friend.
One Africa, are you a fake account?
Yes, I hear you.
Are you a fake account before you proceed?
Re-account. Na my account. Na my account. Re-account. No. My new account. I'm not a fake account.
If I need you to bring you up for the now, yeah. I don't want me to say, let's get bias. You go put one of your moderator for up. I know what I'm doing. One Africa.
Sir.
If what you are saying is true, as the judge of this case tonight, I want you to solemnly on your video cameras and say this on video. Anybody that is coming here to testify against anybody, if you're in support of Mommy 3D or you're in support of Mama T, you have to be on video. If person they can't defend Mama T, if he not there on video, then he's not allowed to speak. You as someone that know Mommy 3D and her husband, if you want to defend them in full, you must defend them on video. If you are saying this to me on audio, I doubt probably you might be related either to the husband or to the wife. You might not even be their friend because I don't know.
Not the man brother now.
Okay.
Not the man brother.
Now be disabi, you see?
Yeah, Roland, not the man brother.
Okay. So Roland, I will plead with you to please, if you must continue or you must proceed, you must come on video camera. Only then you will believe everything that you have to say because your face is showing. So you go they talk and you go they show, say yes, now me they talk, not be lie. Exactly. This is what I want. This is what I want. Great and not get lovers. We are priceless. God, continue. One Africa, continue. You mute. Let's not hear you again.
Okay.
Yes.
You hear me now?
You cannot proceed.
Yes. Make Chelsea beat Arsenal today as I finish the matter. Okay. Then the husband called me. Say true. I say, how you take get my number? He say my pastor. Now he direct can come for my help. I really assist the man in 2 ways. Through that one, we can become friend. I never know say now my own people where I will later know. Okay, we can become really good family friend, good relationship with mama twins, good relationship with the man, the husband, Timothy, then good relationship with the children. So before I know, they can't come to church. They can't be member of my church, Omega Fire Ministry SN. So I can't happen today, children fellowship as a coordinator. So the way I can't play with the children, it be like say that when they say blood is thicker than water, now through those twins, because me are twin, so the children they be twin. So the connection can't flow. Me can feel say now because say we be twin. Now it make me the flow with them. I don't know say there be my niece with the little girl Victory. Don't want to be my baby inside. Always coming to me, uncle. We can't flow. The mother said no one say no this time. Say I be Christian cousin. The man never say no. Sometimes she go cook, she can't give me. I go chop, Sometimes if the children they celebrate, I go say buy them gift. I go call mama twins for phone. What thing I go buy for these children now?
One Africa.
I go see.
One
You
Africa.
understand? I'll see buying for them. You understand?
One
Sir.
Africa.
Beat.
One Africa.
We never buy something for my children. Oh.
One Africa.
Sir.
This is a very sensitive issue. I don't know, probably maybe when you are talking, you smile or you laugh. Can you please do this court a favor by not laughing before you so that we can know that you are serious?
Okay.
But when you are laughing, I'm not looking at you like a cruise, that you are lying to me.
No. Confirm truth, 100%.
Stand firm and tell us in this court of law that everything you are saying is true. You are
100% true.
You are laughing and saying, he can't give me water. He can't give me rice. He can't give me. People will think you are just here to catch crows. This is a very sensitive issue because whatsoever you are using here today will be used against you tomorrow. If you don't know probably right now, these people that told me to bring you up, it's either you are here to defend them or from today they'll call you an enemy. You don't even know where you are right now. You think you just want to come and talk. At the end of the day, you are going with two things. It's either you become an enemy to the people that wanted you to come and defend them, or you become an enemy to the person that is up here, which is
It is the peace I want. Peace.
Okay. Now you have to be serious, sir, and continue. What are the book?
Okay.
I also close this cup.
So
No gift. No,
eventually,
no lie.
he can't tell me, say, Roland, I must tell you the truth now.
Who cut up that
Say
one?
this Mama twins.
Okay.
Mama twins.
So, okay.
Yeah. She say these children where you they play with, where you like, so they'll be your blood. I say how? She said our children, she said our Christian children be this. Ah?
I didn't know. Say you relate to your husband, the ex-husband.
I should tell no. A guy waiting happen. I travel go see my sister.
You send me free request.
Listen, wait now, Mama, listen. I travel go see my sister for.
My friend request is sent for me for Facebook.
Wait now.
Mama TP, I will get one now, man.
Or you go mute her. So I go visit my sister where they stay for Munich there. My immediate
Miss Villa, somebody is saying it. Moderators, when I bring Villa up, continue.
So I can't tell I go visit my sister, my immediate senior sister. We not well for Munich. Joy. May her soul rest in peace. So when I come back, I can't tell the children, say me they join me, pray for my sick sister, Joy. So one of the twins come because they know Joy. So they can't pick Joy. And I can't see measure Munich. So when they go house, they can't go tell their mother, Mommy, Uncle Roland said he went to Munich to visit Joy. So now that the mother can't try to think, I've been a Christian cousin, be this. So I say, he can't get how, I'm not going to know what to come happen again when I can't send a friend request like that. Now that she can't confirm her. Okay, this guy na Christian brother. So now that she can't tell me one Sunday for church during our service, say, Roland, this your children, they be also your children. Now there, I shed tears. Mama twin shed tears. I can't hold the children. Then I can't really not say, okay, no wonder the chemistry, the flow ran
Can I ask you a question?
all of us since for there.
Mommy Tori, the husband relates. Is it your elder brother from same mother, same father?
No, now my cousin. My mother, senior the mother. Now my cousin.
Okay.
So she can't tell me, say, these children are my children. Can't say now children, now Christian children be this. Now she be mama twins. I say, yes. I don't hear about that mama twins, mama twins, but I not really know the woman. So now they immediately I can't contact my brother.
You have to be brief.
Okay, I contact my brother. Christian, see you. Do you know what? I just see your children now. And mama twins. My brother was very happy. Even me, I was happy. Even mama twins was happy. So now I can't say now, what I will do now, I'm a man of peace. Make a quick make connection. Because my brother tell me, say, Christian, let me say, for years, he never see these children. And they don't grow. Now I say, bros, it's not good. You cannot stay without seeing these children. So I can't try to make peace. Me, my brother, I can't see the children. So I can't be a mediator between mama twins and my cousin. So anything when I tell we can't get date, make Christian come. And Christian really prepare to come. And Christian, new wife now, prepare to come. Even mama twins were also prepared to receive Christian, make us see the children.
One Africa, is it right for the new wife of your elder brother? I don't know who is senior between the both of you anyway. Is it right for your own brother, new wife, to accompany your brother to see the children we give for ourselves.
Yeah, he's right. But can I continue?
Okay, he's right.
It's not right. It's not right.
For the woman to go.
It's not right. It's not right. I'm not in support of that.
Can I continue?
Okay, you said it's right. Can you tell me, in this court of law, why you said it's right for the new wife to accompany your brother?
Can I continue before I answer your question?
Okay, continue.
Okay. So we made with a date, make the family, come see the children. So I tell Mama Twins, see wetin my brother talk. Say he want come with his family. May they come see the children. Mama Twins say no. Say he no want make Christian family come. Say it must be only Christian. So I can't carry phone again. I can't call Christian. Christian, see the latest information now. Mama Twin say make you come alone, come see your children first.
What year was that?
It's about 3 years ago now, but I can't really know. But something like that happened about 3 to 4 years ago.
Wait, Mama Titi.
2020.
Yes.
As at that time, Mama Titi is already married to another man.
Yes, she's already married to this man.
Okay, continue.
But he don't deal with the man, but they never do marriage.
As far as he don't deal with her for us.
He don't deal with him. Okay. So I can't tell my cousin, bros, waiting latest information. I said you must come alone. Now my cousin come reason something with me. Say, Roland, he never see these children for years. Now he don't get another children. Say, let him come and introduce his new children, the younger ones, to the elders, so that they will know each other. Than he coming alone, single man, like who never married, who never had any child. My brother, make one reason. Roland, I am happily married. I have children. Mama Twins is happily married. She has children. Let us create a league for them to familiarize themselves with each other. I say, bros Christian, there is sense in what you are saying. And he told me again, secondly, Roland, this man, Timothy, the husband to Mama Twins, he has been there in the life of my children for years. Let me know this man. Let me appreciate him for being there for my children. That he has done well. Really? That I want to create a relationship with my children. Let them have relationship with each other so that they can be meeting, they can exchange number, they can be friends, that they can come to my house to live, and my children can also go to his house to live. That is the plan of Christian. I said, okay, let me also report. Let me also inform Mama Twin the latest now from the both sides. I became a lawyer, a peacemaker. I told Mama Twins, this is what Christian said. Mama Twins said no. She said no, that if my brother cannot come alone, she can now forget about the matter. I said, Mama Twins, let it come with the family. She said, no, my brother must come alone. Okay, I said, okay, no problem. I will still do the call again because I'll always make call. Then I I put call to my brother again. Christian, can you please come alone? He said, Roland, know that I cannot come alone. It will be better off if I come with my entire family to introduce them to the other family. I said, that is fine. And my cousin said again that, Roland, I'm scared. Because he said, Roland, I have plan A and plan B. Roland, what about I come alone? The matter in police station that, and it is written that Mama Twins wrote a statement that Christian want to kidnap the children. My brother told me, Roland, what about I'm alone there? And eventually something happened. Mama Twin call police. What will happen to me?
One Africa, let me round it up for you because of time.
Okay.
Going to see his children after so many years with his new wife is an error. Do you know why? With the communication, he can use that to defend himself. If Mama T can't call police after he can see children, there is an evidence that let me just the first evidence where if I call this where he still show to police where make police leave him. If he still show that evidence, say he want to still see children, oh, see cause, oh, if he even see the record down. Now you have to be very careful. If he record down, say, okay, you Christian, you can come with me. Then at least you don't already get conversations. They go definitely talk. You go conference. They say, Alpha, okay, I'll come and see my children tomorrow. You use on that photo the record. Your wife is a presenter, sir, which is the momentarily husband. Your wife can also record it and keep it, just in case maybe the woman will frame you up. That would be better. But you know it is an insult and a mockery to this woman here that you want to come and take the new husband for taking care of his own biological children. Do you know that's a mockery? A very big mockery to this woman and to the new husband we put for us. It's a very big mockery. Now, to crown it all, because of another person that is here to speak, you as the cousin should have told him, bro, you can still come with evidence of full bed, at least not be saying you want sleep. You feel just see them, oh, how are you doing? Even though it's not compared that it must be his house or the woman's house. Now if you set up a place to stay.
Papa Nora, not in my house. I told them McDonald's.
Okay.
Not in my house.
Even if it's not be McDonald's, if you set up, they say on that place when you say, man, if they open for the children to meet. If the woman want frame them up, police for here not be Nigeria police. You go bring evidence, come and say, see how it take here, or even tell us say they come because you never see children. That would have been better. Telling this woman and his new husband, say, he want bring material follow body, make there is never a way in this life that there will be peace and cooperation in that kind of family. He asked me all day now, maybe my wife will be a single mother before, I know her. Maybe when we know, say, that person don't first sleep with my wife enemy before, now he born the children, when my wife carry reach my hand. Me go come they do all lovey. Now me love my wife pass. I'll call and love my wife, bring my way don't fair born for her. Make the man call they sit down for my present, they take me, say, person don't first sleep with my wife. Wanna pour me water. God, wanna pour me water. Person don't first sleep with my wife, they call they shake my hand, they tell me thank you for taking care of his children. That's a big mockery and a laughter. If a big Mama T wait, even if it's not for the last time, even if it's not be the first time, they don't need to meet. They don't need to meet. No friendship where go reach that level. I'm not saying not do anything you want to do with your children, do it with your children. But make Mommy T the husband because they take this Mama T new husband. And down we all, my brother is not right. That man. whether my cut this thing is not right. So that one did aside. Let's hear from Miss Villa. Miss Villa, let's hear from you.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah. Even if it's not before the first meeting, it's not right at all at all. It's not right. As father is dedicated to his wife, Mommy 3D, and Mommy 3D trusts her husband so much.
Enoge, you said it all. In that part you said, I support you. At the beginning, I was also against it.
Okay.
Why my brother said he want to see Mama Titi's present husband.
Brother of Mommy 3D husband. Sorry, you are the sister to Mommy 3D husband.
We are cousins. We are all cousins.
Okay, you all are cousins. Okay, at first you never supported it.
No, I was against it. Then when my brother said he wants to go and see Mr. Timothy, or rather he wants to thank him. No.
Even if, for example, say he want to introduce the children to the first children, there will also be another appointment for that. Probably, maybe that the Mama Titi not going to come. Then Mama Titi feels carry and reach there. Just say, okay, these are your children, you'll go. Then the man can now introduce the children together. Mama Titi not go still there. Mama Titi.
Please, can we just go back? Let me just go back to the way it started at the beginning. I think it was 2013. Yeah, many people say Oti Abun as of Savor.
Yes.
I'm the closest person to that, my brother. He still remain my closest brother. No matter the problem, trouble we don't get so far for this matter, he still remain my blood. I love him so much, and I can't deny that.
Yes.
When all this thing starts, from all the way from, I think, from Libya, now they know each other. I was the first person introduced to this woman as a sister. We were communicating till they got to Italy. He born the children. I called her. We greeted. So from there, no house where bus boost no day. I've said it before earlier today. There's no house where bus boost no day. We
aside, since the first cousin has already on the camera, then you can continue with the sister. Continue.
You want me to on my camera? I can also do that as 1 minute.
Yes. That's what they do here.
Okay, I should on the camera.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, please let me on my room lights.
Justice Enoge, what up?
Drop a Rolandi.
Why they will drop me?
What did they do? They never to finish.
Why they will drop me? A matter now, my fool.
Now you sabi when
Mama, please. I will also know the quarrel where you get to the insult family. My way you born for, where you get children for. I hate it when you insult.
In our present wife, they insult me and my children. Where una dey?
No, don't say that. Don't go there. Mama, twist. Not go there. Nobody will come for. And peace will come for.
So if I talk, now you come for.
Please, we need that peace. Enough is enough of this your insult to the man's family.
Tell your brother to stop insulting that we made.
Please. I always tell you, say, you don't born for the man.
It's okay,
any insult you give the man, your children, now you they insult, which is very, very wrong. I know they support my brother.
I better not use that word. Not my children.
I know they support. Listen now. I know they support my brother. I don't talk say my brother. What he do? He wrong. You get your own part.
Who do that? Who removed her? That was not her wish to leave. Which moderator do that? Who remove her? Please, can you bring her back? Because the matter already they get to the closure already.
Yeah.
A closure will not come ask why should they call my husband. You not talk that one.
Person when I will bring na Mommy 3D, but as I then maybe Mama Titi go down.
No, why are you bringing all the family of this man? To join them?
No, just two of them. No more.
Two of them. Then you bring my ex-husband, which the name was not here from the beginning. The reason why I'm here.
If you want me to bring your person up, let me know. You know what talk say?
No, the case now, they don't go cook story come here. Everybody knows what they have to hear.
If they go cook story come now, baby, why you talk like that?
No, I'm here anyway.
If you tell me say your sister one client, Your brother won't climb. I go bring you up. I go bring them up.
Over when the sister climbed yesterday, if now look my comment, over when the sister climbed yesterday, when they talk, I say drop her. No need to put her there because everybody gets sister. Everybody can join their sister to say something. I'm not here to be biased. Now the way matter be now be. Mama Tina my personal person. Right from the day when you know my brother, when my brother introduced her to me. She has been my personal person. And I won't change it today. And nothing will separate me and she. Because you know why? Children don't get ready there. My blood there with her. That is why I stood by her all from the offset and not leave her.
Yes.
You understand? So this issue of this saga, where they always come on social media, waiting me won't beg a no-gi with the power where God give you for this social media. If there's any way you will go into this matter and make peace, let everybody go their separate way.
That's
one, the woman don't marry a husband.
Man, yes.
Mama Titi don't also marry a husband. There should be a boundary.
Yes.
Between two of them. If this one put something for social media, they talk, do not go that live, go talk. Not go comment section. Don't appear there.
Exactly.
If this one put you for social media, do not also go the comment section. Don't even appear. If you like, make people they send you what they talk. Because all this problem what we see so now comment the people in the comment section and the bloggers make a content to another thing. If not be today mad they leave woman. It dey happen. You leave woman, you face your own. The one if you leave this one, you face your own.
The
so
only one
the problem where they
I not agree with you.
That be this saga.
The woman sister. You're clear like that.
I greet everybody.
This one are the woman sister, which is the only one lost. You continue.
Okay, she was the one, and she yesterday. Now me they talk where they talk yesterday say no need because your confidence say you dead bias. You forsake make this one won't come, make this one won't come. So nevertheless, Mama Titi and Rhoda is not my enemy. She is not my enemy, but we are not friends. Listen very carefully.
Your brother wife.
Yes, we are not enemy, but we are not friends. We know they communicate. We never cross line once.
Where?
We never cross line once. So the person where me know, where me stand with right from time has been this Mama Titi. Why? I get one rule.
Wow.
If I do the follow one person, I know the tafia go another door. Because me do not say you're cool. What is this one? I go tell you that one. I've never done it. I've been with this lady right from day one. The only annoyance what I get for this lady, I wish I want to say it here. The insults when they give my brother and my family. Now that one I should take the get issue. You see, among all the family, nobody is with you. Now only me stand with you. There is no way I will stand for you to be insulting my brother. No matter what he do you. Ununa, I am telling
your brother wife is giving me.
Wait. Your brother wife, you said.
Let her talk.
Your brother wife, you said. You never said your brother. You said your brother wife. Who calls me now? Me go cause. Who talk to me now? Go talk to. Not be who not talk to me. I will come. The only thing where be say I take quarrel with my brother is that if your wife they talk to her. You get the right as the head of the family. Tell your wife, say, my wife enter house. This one are the woman wife born for me. Now this woman make me be papa when I start life. Where everybody tell me. Enter house. You get the right to take caution your wife. Likewise, your own husband, Mama T, see get right to tell you say, my wife, you don't leave that man. You are no longer married to that man. First, the one way you did so. Come on for road, no they interfere, no they come what's it called? Social media, they come they collect what you not supposed to because when he not hear something, belle no they bitter. Do they hear me so? So the arrangement of the
mommy Titi, let her talk now. Me wait there yet.
As a,
No,
wait, Mama Titi, wait. I seen they talk about his brother. Me, I get question when me want ask am because she they talk say your brother no they insult you. Where that video where your brother and his wife do where the daylight video where they insult my sister, you not see her.
Only one
Sorry,
big
ma.
okay.
You
Okay.
not see her.
Only one big lost
Thank
dream.
So Mama
Thank
Titi,
you.
let her talk because me
Thank
go
you.
ask question on my own.
Only one big
You know,
lost
they are
dream.
not
Listen.
come for problem. No, now settlement we come
Only
for.
one big
This
lost
one
dream.
Yes, thank you.
I beg
Okay,
you
yeah.
on your camera. Oh. Only one big lost dream. When many my Yahweh man we not a big bias because I don't want me tomorrow say Nasia he say make the other one on camera me
No, give
sister.
me no camera na
I know,
iwa.
I know, say na you. I know you my friend. I know, but as it don't reach like this, so everybody go on camera. Continue,
Yeah, problem not there. I just dey here.
continue.
Mama, we are not here to quarrel. We are all
No,
here
now
to
I
make
still talk. You like say we not dey quarrel. Na settlement
we
we
are here
come
to
for.
make peace.
You understand?
You
Yeah,
understand?
that's what you are saying.
If you want really talk, say she dey here now. I know they use her matter play. Yes. No, I tell my brother dey here. I
Even
know
my
they use her matter
sister, she
play.
always dey talk of you.
You understand?
I don't know you. She dey talk
Right
of you.
from God bless you. Right from day one where this problem starts, I don't leave this woman. I dey pet her even when she want. The only problem when I get now be the insult. Nobody go gree make it sit down with the insulting brother. Nobody. They know, you know the love don't switch reach that part. Now be
I
the problem
understand.
when me and she don't listen. If the woman they saga you, the woman they always they saga you. I don't always tell say if she says some video, I say we're born here, where I bet forget. Focus on your children. When I to focus on your children, leave them. You don't chop this thing finish now. The thing I go come remain. You understand? That has been my pleading with her. So say maybe some of video where they take the saga each other, or maybe the one where he talk say no be my brother say no say he go Germany. No, I would debunk that.
No, that boy.
My brother was aware. My brother was aware. Yes. The only thing wey happen for them say there was something they were waiting for, which Mama Titi not come wait. I felt and I say I not there abroad. I don't know how to do it. He not come wait. So it was behind at the back of my when my brother take comot. Now she take comot for us with his brother. His brother come help am carry things comot for us. Which his brother, if you ask question, say why you want that from where? Why are you relocating? Is your husband away? Because in the process of saying that they travel, that they bring this country. Now both of them I do that arrangement. If they have carried phone, I also called my brother say, "Oh, when you told me you're
Yeah.
Don't know what this man dey lie since everybody dey believe her.
Mama
My
Titi,
God,
Mama Titi.
una wa beer na I go change am for you. Who dey which kind
Wait till
beer
go
be
dey
that?
First and foremost, Miss Bella.
we are coming out.
Miss Bella.
Yes.
Abeg,
Mama, oh,
the only
Mama.
one- wait, the only lost you wait.
If I no get hold on abeg, hold on
Wait,
abeg.
wait,
Egwi
wait.
rami omo igo efe ya iviogwe egwi. Mama, you see this matter wey I wan tell you, eh? You see this life here way omo na we na egbe, I we na vie. You understand? Otun, if you see this problem wey e dey ground, do sorry to say oh, Otun or generated the problem. Do you know why?
Big pigeon.
A life
big
in that.
pigeon.
A life in that. Iyan wo pe normal sabo man wey
Make us that here.
speak English. Man wey no fit control him house, eh? Na woman dey drag come out for social media. You understand? As a man wey your brother be, his wife come out for social media, she dey misbehave. And he know say this woman don get 2 children for am. He go let the woman know say, stop it.
Three children, no be two.
Yeah, TV. I know now. My sister now. Asan. Don't be say Facebook sister. We be cousin. Now me with Angada grow. We dey wear the same pint. She dey here. You understand? Your brother suppose tell his wife say no cross that boundary. As far as say this woman don born for me. Anything wey cause quarrel between me with her, let am be between 2 of us. Remove your body. But your brother no do so. Many video dey when his wife go come social media, your brother go dey do put. Even your brother dey go on live video, your brother go show his face. He go dey insult my sister. The video, I dare we are they follow from the beginning. Even this TikTok when my sister did today, I call her. I go say, call open TikTok. She said she not like social media. Facebook where she did for that side is okay for her. She was not on TikTok. Now your brother wife now bring my sister to TikTok. Because now you go stagger my sister all the time. You understand? She dey stagger her all the time. Now my sister tell enter here. Now your brother wife now drag this problem. Now your brother wife now still talk say she not go feed their life. Where your brother go feed they take care of his children. Where they born for her for outside. He say it not go happen. So a lot they when be say it's supposed may your brother control his house. He not fit control his house. So now you they blame my sister say they insult your brother. If your brother no need this sort, he go control his house. You know if your wife insult me, come tell me say me I no return that insult to you. I go return her.
Thank you, madam, for using that word. Say now my brother now need that insult. Now make her your sister feel the insult her because if he control your house, his wife, if he control your wife, his ex-wife will not feel the insult her. Very correct. It is same that from the beginning I dey kick against her. I dey even dey call Mama Titi say I beg you. If it be say even sit down with your husband, they get that they bullying you. Can you just do me one favor? Do like say do not see them. Listen to madam. Do like say do not see them because everybody for the family.
Miss Villa.
Because one person.
Miss Villa.
Where stand with you, he not leave you.
Miss Villa.
You don't fulfill listen to me.
Miss Villa.
If I no get, may you wait now. May you wait. I see the talk so. If I no get, wait now. Wait.
I want to
You let her talk.
I want to take Miss Villa. Wait. Miss Villa. You are the brother, sorry, you are the sister to the husband of Mama Tori.
Yes.
And I like your speech tonight.
Thank you, sir.
You are not being biased. And you said that in the whole family, you stand by Mama Titi. I want you to be brief because my conclusion is coming to an end on this topic. Now today we want to talk this matter rich. Continue.
Thank you, sir.
Just be brief because I don't see everything already.
Okay.
So just be brief, yeah.
My own point in this case is that one, if may God take control this night, make peace reign between the two parties. Do you understand? Make peace reign, make everybody go their separate way. That is my stand in it. Exactly. Mama Titi don't marry another man. My brother don't get another wife. Let everybody go their separate way. Then another thing when I won't beg for, now the children, I want to do say make my brother get access to the children. Now to beg Mama Titi very, very well. I know it's not a talk, I be woman. Now to beg her, if there's any way she fit put all those anger where they are belly, may put her down. May we take resolve this matter. Make his ex-husband fit get contact to those children. That is my plea here.
Okay.
Because
Mama,
if we begin
Mama,
to narrate story today, they talk. We not will come out here.
You see this one where he talks, he sweets me well. This life, any man where he talk say he want his children life, me I dey like that kind of thing because why? Not be one person they bump you. Because the day when I do one for bed, now two of them do one. You not supposed to make woman carry woman children low put for head, you understand? So if you want, may your brother day my sister children life, you know what your brother go do. He himself know what he go do. You see that is Sasako wife, where he call his wife, he go fair.
We don't need this sort.
Please, I not take sort because now as she take the talk. Now so I'll take reply. You know this life, Even yesterday when this girl they talk for she use one word for a nogi and insult. This like person will not know how to respect people. Me, Losry legit. I don't give respect to people not get respect. That is me for you. You understand? So for that reason, you go now tell your brother if you want get custody of my sister's children, only him go involve. That his wife not go involve because his wife thought say if he not follow his husband come they see my sister's children, that me your brother no fit they come.
Okay, hello girl, if I feel remember the people in the comment section, what did I say? I say I kick against that one. Say make it wife follow her for the first time, go see his children. No. Now when belle is sweet, now woman, now not say they give. I think they make that parable because there's already issue in it. My brother would have said, I won't come see my children. Mama Titi not go kick against and say, no, and you must not come with your wife. Or rather, I want to see your husband. Those two parts, me, I don't kick against and say, it's not right. Me a woman, me will not also accept that. Because when I hear that matter, I tell my brother, say, it's not, I'm not the ideal. Make your wife follow you. And you don't see the idea for you to see Mama Titi or present husband for waiting. You don't get right. So I think against that one. Then when you remember, say, he put money for this woman. We're talking about. He wants put money for this woman head. He wants put money for this Mama Titi head. That was
Mama.
Listen,
Mama,
August 19. Listen,
he put
August
money
19.
He
then forget me, not forget the dates.
Mama,
it was
wait
August 19.
May you
that
wait.
is marriage.
May you
Okay.
wait now. I not okay. Say not put money for my sister head though. When he put money for my sister head, before me I use before because my sister a married woman now. Yes. When he put money for my sister head before, Mommy Tiri D follow and go pay the bride price.
Mommy Tiri was...
Mama, please, yes or no? You go answer.
No, you can't have Mommy Tiri D go get the picture when you want to put money for it.
Mama wait now, Mommy Tiri D not follow and go put money for a head. So why is she not insist say if your husband want go see pikin where they don't fair buff for her, if she not evolve? You not go fit see her. So Mommy Tiri D is not. Mama wait now. I know the life I dey talk. You don't say when they talk. You're not evolve. That mean Mama Tiri D they let us they know say she is the man of the house. Why your brother is the woman in the house? Because your brother not get say. Sorry to say that I'm using.
Why
this
would you
word.
say that?
Mama,
why would you say that?
Do you know why I say that? Do you know why I say that?
You only lost the no.
Why would you say that?
If I know gay. Everything I have to correct.
Exactly. If you are saying that word, can I bust your bubble? Nobody's bribing anybody here. I was also put it to you that when Mama Titi was still with my brother that time when they say they married, that means now Mama Titi still be the husband for the house.
You see.
Mommy, because you know what me. Mama, wait now. Mama, you see when you they talk just now. You see, say, guess or what when you talk? You say, my sister, if you see them, that they bully her, may you put her for body. How long they want to bully my sister? Where go they look your eye?
But God has brought the light.
For the mama, wait now, wait. Pina, I beg, I dey give you respect as a senior mama where you be. I beg. You say my sister, when my sister there with your brother, if Mommy TV did they control your brother, that mean now my sister and I be the man of the house. Ask your brother. No, wait now, wait, mama. Ask your brother when they enter from land, enter Europe, everything way.
Why you can't drop my sister?
If I cannot drop her, my sister I'm still here.
No.
If you cannot drop her,
Nobody dropped her.
you can only mute her. Okay. You can only mute her if you want to listen to her because this is exactly
okay. Wait, mama.
Wait, I don't know drop. I don't know drop Mujade. Wait.
I know they drop us.
I don't know drop the first person, which is the lost.
Okay, sorry.
Let me drop the other one. Okay. So that it do not look maybe we are biased. See, this matter so if we say we will continue to emphasize on this particular issue, 1 week we not finish this matter. 1 week we go still do this issue. The only thing when we want to talk now, be say, I remember they bring material the husband sister back. It go long. The only thing when I want to talk now be say, from today's forth, Mama Titi and Mommy 3D are not like River Niger and River Benue. We know they float together. If Mama Titi they talk about any issue, make Mommy 3D not put on to herself. If Mommy Titi they talk about any issue, make Mama Titi not also hear the turtle. If there is saga Mommy Titi for any platform, Mama Titi does not have the right to climb up and go and say, That's what they do. If the saga Mama Titi too, Mommy 3D have no right to go there and say, And now I know. I want peace. Mama Titi, wait. I want peace to reign from this night henceforth. Nobody has right. I don't want to correct anything because if we continue to stress this matter, we not come up for here. And the matter not go come dey make sense. Because we started this issue yesterday. This matter don't take our time already. We have a lot of topics at hand. But because of this particular issue, we not fit celebrate on that issue. So the only thing when I want to talk today be say, Mama Titi, I beg. Mommy 3D, I know say you watch this program too. I beg. The only lost we like Catherine over here, man. We get where I may not be assuming they did biased. Nobody should bring any of their relative up. Mama Titi, I want to beg you today. The deed has already been done. Already. The issue when they this place, I don't already see him. I'm not gonna lie. Your hot temper was as a result of the misunderstandings that was happening between you and your ex-husband. Before woman can't get grudges from man, to can't get grudges to the extent of say, may I can't go give to another man. It was grudges. So please, Mommy 3D, if you are here, I would have loved you to climb up too. Make two of una did this boss from today henceforth. Make two of una not the talk for each other word. I beg. Make two of una not the talk for each other word. The man in question, please sir, you can go to the court because you don't involve government already with the children. So we know if we talk about that one here. Only thing I want to talk about is that you have right to see your kids without your wife. You have right to see your kids without your wife. Your wife is not supposed to be there when you want to see your kids. And Mama Titi is not supposed to be there too when you want to see your kids. No more bully from Mommy 3D to Mama Titi. No more bully because Mama Titi too na social media person too. Mama Titi na social media person. When they talk, they say he not be social media person. I listened to some of her videos and I come further say na still social media person too. Mama Titi does not have the right to bully anyone.
Panora, now then drag me come out. Now then drag me. I never ever. I'm not entirely for platform.
From today
only Mommy Joyous platform now they enter. Yes, she said because she see me there.
As far as you know, say Mommy Joyous
are my friend.
Wait, Mommy Joyous are your friend. As far as you know, if you talk about other topics, you have right to go there. But if you don't have to do with Mommy 3D, you know, say Mommy Joyous and Mommy 3D they all they play. You know, not be today come media, not climb. You don't need to climb directly, indirectly. Directly, indirectly, you don't need to climb. Same with Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D, if this woman constantly do video, not to say they use it directly, they talk to you. Else we don't want to move on. Else we don't want to move on because you can't meet this woman as a wife. Mommy 3D. You can't meet this woman as a wife before your husband paid your bride price. Despite now that she's married to another man, you can't meet this woman as a wife. So for the fact, say you can't meet this woman as a wife, you have to respect that fact. And anything that has to do with you and this woman, cut it for life, cut them. The familiarity, not anybody go mind your memory. May you take on to talk about this woman issue again. Because by doing that, meaning you are not the one looking for trouble. Mama Titi, I want to beg you today. Because Mommy Titi the husband already tell me, say, you don't want me, your wife come. So may I help to pass the message like this. That's why I don't even stress to bring Mommy Titi to the boss. Because the husband already tell me, say, he will speak. But probably his wife is not going to talk today. But only way I want to talk is say, Mommy Titi, the mistake has already been made. I don't know if you call where you born put mistake. For the fact that this woman was married to him legally, traditionally, It was a while before you came in. Even before this woman can go do what she do. You want to go bring Juju? You don't want to go bring Juju? You don't want to go bring Juju? Juju not even count for this matter where you're the grand so. Juju not count for this very issue. The only thing when I see here, you say, Mommy 3D, don't the year of this man, according to what she talked yesterday, even before you met this man, that alone, they already settled the whole issue already. When the man come toast to you, come the ask and say, now you be the papa twins. Automatically, you know fully well, Mommy 3D, that this woman here is married. They are married just that they never break up before you enter. Because if you can testify to the fact that you said it yesterday, you know, here we know the bad matter, we they talk out the way it be. You said it yesterday that you asked your husband, maybe your husband talk out today, say, Ogana, be the papa twins. Automatically, you now know. You entered because you love the man accordingly and you give the man peace. And since then, since 2015 till now, the man never see children. I believe and I hope that even if this man will go see children, you, Mommy 3D, would like to go with your husband. Not be person they tell me this one, now you me or the thought to direct, so you will want like to go with your husband, of which is not supposed to be done. A lot of us come from polygamous family here. No one is blaming you that you are married to a married man before they come finally marry you. Nobody can blame you for that. Because a lot of people for here, our papa married more than 3-4 wives. So nobody will blame you, say, you go married man, shame on you. No. Nobody's going to blame you. Because if we take a check ourselves, people with their papa marry one wife, not common. According to where we come from. So nobody's blaming you on that. But you know fully whether he was a married man before you pull it. If anyone wants to blame you, they will blame you because they have issues with you. Me, I don't go blame you because where it is common, not be you starting. Say that they bought for married man. Before the Congo finally put money for their head, not be you starting. So I can't blame you because if I want to blame you, meaning I need to blame everybody we born. Go reach all of us with there so now. A lot of us come from polygamous family. So our papa married 3-4 wives. Your papa married 2 wives. Even you, Mommy 3D, they talk and say, Mama, your father married 3 or 4 or 5 wives. So nobody's going to blame you for that. Now your self-choice. But please, from today, anything that has to do with Mama Titi, stay with Mama Titi. Anything that has to do with Mommy 3D, do like say innocent. If one of una can't go message another, then make the whole world know say that person now no one move on. If no Mama Titi go on platform tomorrow, begin a saga Mommy 3D after we don't come out for a year, meaning Mama Titi no one will move on. Meaning something they Mama Titi may way no talk. If Mommy 3D still call a platform tomorrow, the saga Mama Titi, meaning he guarantee Mommy 3D don't want to tell us where we maybe where we don't know. The connection between Mama Titi, Mommy 3D, your husband, and the children of Mama Titi will be done in court. I do not have such powers because of the kind of police case where they don't take quarrel in the past. On this note, Mommy Titi, according to waiting Mommy 3D husband sister talk just now. Now beg, I go personally beg you for those kids. Even if it's not a still reach court, I know say police they listen to women well. Please take it easy with your baby father. He is still your baby father. And I pray say if this matter reach court, make them find peace, make them talk how the man go to see the children. No woman has right to tell a man we come meet with children, say make the man not go visit the children. No woman has a right. Except say, as you did there, so Mommy 3D, your husband can go give another woman belly. That is the only way you will tell your husband that you do not want to see those children with your eyes because now your presence never for happen. But as far as say, you never even come when these women start to be born, the man has right to see the kids. On this note, I will now bring in other people to now deliberate on this issue without insult. I know probably that my judgment might not go well with some people. People might think I am biased. People might think, hey, Enoge is this, Enoge is that. But it is what it is. You will never expect me to say the way you want me to say it. This woman, I want to thank you so much, Mama Titi, for standing firm to take good care of those kids from when their father tasted them reached now.